Hello friends, this is Rajiv Gupta from Options Trading Master class. Friends, I have got a very important video for you. Market is ruling at almost 11,200 levels, and we presume that there are a lot of indicators in the market which are clearly throwing us warning sign. For example, right now our markets are trading at almost 31 times price to earning ratio, that is 31 PE. It is historically very high level and never market has traded at 31 times PE. I will give you a few more reasons why this market crash looks almost imminent in coming days. GDP is contracting by almost 10%. That is a big negative. Fiscal deficit is ballooning. In just 3 months we have completed our entire 1 year quota of fiscal deficit, that is almost 3.5% of GDP. And you know what, because of Corona, next 9 months can be more challenging. Friends, there is absolute collapse in demand. So there is, barring rural sector, there is no demand in any other business. So all businesses are practically suffering from collapse in demand. And this will reflect once GDP data is released. A lot of sectors are facing tremendous stress, like hospitality sector, where because there no trains are running, no planes are there. So virtually, all businesses which depends on trains and buses and aeroplanes are getting shut. Malls are yet to open. Lockdown is still there in lot many cities. Friends, another point why this market is going to fall is that inflation is sparking up. We are already at 6.09% CPI, and in days to come we may see even further spike in inflation, because if we see all raw material costs are increasing. This will cause very negative effect on all companies' input cost, because cost is escalating almost at the rate of 20% year on year basis. Friends, there has been hike in petrol and diesel prices to make up for the losses because of fallen GST collections, and that high diesel and petrol prices is causing a lot of stress in consumer discretionary space. It is causing a lot of pain to our even farmers also. Another reason and a very big indicator which tells you that market fall is imminent is the gold prices. From last few months, gold has risen almost 50%. It is trading at level of 56,000, which has never traded before. What it means is basically consumers and customers are having no faith left in other asset class whatsoever. Real estate business is in deep stress. People are not getting their regular rental income. Malls are remaining shut, and new properties are also not getting acquired. This is also being indicated by various registration fees, which has declined substantially as far as state government is concerned. Due to rise in inflation, RBI was forced not to decrease repo rate further. Now it is a matter of time only when we will see that reverse repo rate and repo rate will again climb up further, because there will not be any depositors if you reduce deposit rate further. And if people will not come to banks, from where they will get capital. So the way inflation proof treasuries are inching up, yields are inching up in US, I foresee that the same thing is going to happen in our country also. And any day bond prices are going to, yields are going to up and bond prices are going to crash, which will lead to crash in equities also. One more reason, if you see all this bull run, if you see, there are only couple of stocks which have led this rally, like Reliance, Infosys, IT Pack, and FMCG. Barring these 3-4 sectors and pharma sector, major companies are not showing any visible improvement in their quarterly results. So this is the another reason. Only few are the running horses, all others are laggards. So this will again, this market doesn't have more legs to go, what I mean to say. And last but not least, if you see, all banks are parking their surplus fund with RBI. Now this is almost 7% of their total credit offtake. out of 100 lakh crore, 5 lakh crore to 7 lakh crore is being parked with RBI because there is no demand as far as credit is concerned, or there is no credit worthiness customers left in the market. So if you summarize all these reasons, overvalued PE 31, GDP contracting at the rate of 10%, fiscal deficit ballooning, there is collapse in demand, RBI not going down further, banks are parking their surplus funds with RBI, spike in yields, gold prices, high in petrol diesel prices, high raw material prices, and very bull run by very few stocks. That all these things clearly tells us that market is not going to go much further from here, and because we cannot time the market and nobody can tell when it is going to collapse, but collapse is going to be there, and it is better to hedge your portfolio by beautiful options and strategies as we discuss in our course. Thank you, gentlemen.